Okay, so I want to go over Adrian's chart because I realized that some people are getting confused on like how to mark up the chart. I can't do the remix on here.
Do you want me to share my screen, Kim?
Yes, please. That would
Okay.
be yes, 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 yes. That would definitely be helpful. Okay. So go to the, hold on, was it the second chart that you posted?
The second
Oh,
one?
no, go to the first one first.
Okay, that was the 4 hour. Okay, let me just
Yep.
check this. It's the 4 hour. Let me get rid of this. Okay, get rid of that. Can you see my screen?
Nope, I see your YouTube. I see your Google, your
Oh,
Microsoft.
okay, so what do we share? Share, share.
There you go.
Okay, so you see the 4 hour?
Yep.
Okay.
So just whenever you're marking up, so you
Mhm.
and because you're definitely getting the hang of market structure.
Okay.
So you just want to make sure, because see how you marked up from the high to the low because price broke, broke here, right?
Right.
And within that, you have your one,
Mhm.
two, and then your three, right?
Okay.
So the next one would be from, oops, that was off. So your next one would be from this high to this low. That would be
Okay.
your next markup. And this was your peak formation right here. So before that went up, this was your peak formation.
Okay.
And then you go do your next. So your box should be from here to here.
Okay.
Your
So that should be
your,
my second box,
your
the
four
second 4 hour.
hour cycle two. Yep.
Okay. So let's remove this. That's wrong. Let's make this here.
And yeah, what is that 1 hour? Okay.
Yeah. It may
Okay.
not be right. I may have not done it right.
So yep. So you just you can put it there because the formation starts at the bottom of that. Um,
Okay.
mm-hmm.
So this is two. So three would be
So your two would be from here
mhm,
to here,
mhm,
right?
right.
And then let me erase that, erase all that. Okay. And so you got your one, you got your two, and then you got
Mhm,
your three,
mhm.
right? So
Okay.
now your three would be from wherever the peak formation. What is this zone here?
That's the
Is that
four
imbalance?
hour.
1 hour?
That's the 4 hour.
No, what's that pink zone?
That's for my 4 hour.
But
Like
what is
this just
it?
is
Four
that
hours?
I may have too many zones.
No, no, no. What is it? I mean, when you say it's from your 4 hour, because I'm looking at your 4 hours,
Uh,
so I'm trying to figure out is it a
I wanted see my the high did start from up here, but I wanted I'm wanting to mark the zone close to price is my thought process.
Okay, so you would just you would just mark up your, hold on. So you want to mark up your high, which would be from here to here. From the body, yeah.
To here. Okay.
So you would want price to go up there. You don't want it to break that high. It's still market structure. So we're still trading market structure. Our zones, um, our zones, is still market structure. So I wasn't sure.
Okay.
Go to your 1 hour. Let me see what you got on the 1 hour in that area. And to the
I'm
left.
sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So, oh, sorry, my pink thingamajig. Got it. Um,
So my 1 hour should be from here to the 1 hour should be um this is my swing for the 1 hour.
or however far. So it's going to go. So your 1 hour is going to be from, oops, sorry, wrong thing. Your 1 hour is going to be from, so price went up, price pulled back.
Mhm.
It's giving it's looking like it's giving the peak formation here. So the next one might be up to here, and then you might get a pullback, and then you might get another one up to here.
Okay, to the 4 hour.
And then you'll look for your peak formation for the sell down.
Okay.
Okay. So this is looking like it's given the peak formation here. So you'll be looking for the continuation of the buy.
Um,
If let me erase this. Go to your 15-minute.
okay.
And because we're looking for sales, like you don't have to mark up the push up, but that's what I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you that on the third chart that you marked up. So based on market structure, right?
Mhm.
What are you looking for price to technically break above before you consider the continuation? Although this gave some peak formation, this pulled back to this zone here.
Mhm.
What should you be waiting for to get in for the next buy?
Price to pull back to this area.
Mm-mm. What for confirmation? For confirmation, you needed to do what?
I needed to break structure.
Okay,
I
and
need
where are you looking for it to break? I'm sorry.
I need price to break this high,
Yes. There
pull
you.
back,
Yep.
and possibly continue up to this zone or
Yes.
even this high here.
Yes, ma'am. So you're
Okay.
looking for price to break this high here
Mhm.
because that's your last swing,
Yes.
right? So this is the last swing. So you wait for price to break. You get a pullback wherever it's going to pull back, and then you can buy it up to, you can buy it up to mark up, go back to your 4 hour and move your pink zone up where,
Move this up.
nope, not that one.
Okay.
The second one.
This one.
Mm-hmm. And just move it up like above, like where we say from the body to,
Okay. You wanted me to cut not cover the links, right? Just right here.
yep, that's fine. because you just need to set it so you know where your target is going to be.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm, mhm.
So now on this 4-hour, you can either wait for a 4-hour bullish order block. The 4-hour bullish order block is probably going to break the zone that you marked up for the swing high or the 15-minute swing high.
Okay.
Um, for the continuation of the buy up. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want you to show me the, okay. Oh, this was on the 1-hour. Go back, go to the 1-hour because you had the boxes going up. But just remember, because let me see, hold on. You had the boxes. You had, let's see, cycle 2. You had a box here. And then you had a box here. Oh, shoot. I messed that up. Hold on. Then you had a box from here to here. So I didn't understand this box. Um, so pretty much because we're bearish technically, right?
Mhm.
You don't have to box up the the retracement.
Yeah.
So you just want to box up the moves in the direction one, so you're not confused. So you don't confuse yourself. Just box up the cycles in the direction of the market. Now, like we said, we know this right here is a pullback, right? So
Yes.
so we are, and I don't know, this technically is a break and then this pullback. So this could be the third push right here. This could be the first push, this could be the second push, and this could be the third push. So, we just know you don't have to box those up,
Okay.
but if you want to mark it like with your path tool,
Yes.
just so you know that once price gets up towards your trend line, towards this key level,
Right.
right? You
Mhm.
you have an idea that if I see peak formation, whether it's going to be up here or whether it's going to come down here or whether it's going to be a double, right? You
Right.
know that you are, you'll know that you are in the right zone. And I'm just going to put here. So say if price were here, as soon as it breaks that low, then you can look for your pullback to then sell down.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I'm marking up the pullbacks. That's where I get confused at.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Once I get the bias on a higher time frame, that's the boxing I need to focus on. Just the boxing for the bias.
Yes, the boxing for the bias, correct.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then if you go to, let me erase this. If you go to, go back to your 4-hour. Okay. And then actually go to your daily and then reset it. There you go. So now you have, now you have this one push. You've got this second push. So now you're looking for the third push, right?
Okay.
So once your price either gets here or even if it comes down just a little bit more, then you can look for, this is probably here and somewhere around here is probably the 50% 618. Can you fib from this low to this high? Oh, it's the 78.
Yeah.
It's even juicier. So once price gets there, right?
Mhm.
Somewhere around, like I said, it's either going to be somewhere around here or somewhere around, and I'm just using this little wick right here, because that is this one has already been mitigated, but that is the institutional candle.
Mhm.
This is one too, but this one has already been mitigated, right?
Right.
So I'm looking at this one. It's in alignment. I'm looking at hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm looking at this one because one, it's in alignment with the imbalance that's right there, right?
Right.
It's looking like it's probably around 50% of the imbalance. So once price gets back down to here, wherever it's going to go, then you look for your peak formation to then buy it all the way back up to here.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Because now you have your higher time frame, 3 pushes, and then you look for your peak formation, however it's going to form, and then you can at least buy it back up to here. So and if you can just mark from the 78 up to here, how many pips is that?
From the 78.
Which is, where's your 78 line? Is this your 78 line? I think your 78 line is here. Is that it? Is that just, where's your 78 lines?
This hour or the next one? This is
uh,
167 here.
no. Where's your 78 line? Is it right here? Oh yeah. Okay. And then all the way up
Right.
to the top.
Okay. All the way up.
Yep. All the way up.
All the way up.
Yep.
That's 248.
Yep.
Wow. Okay.
Hmm. Now,
Okay.
if price is planning to go back down here, right?
Mhm.
Say price is planning to go back down there. You're probably going to
Mhm.
get your neckline of your M. It's probably going to come back up here and then maybe drop down there, or it's going to keep pushing. If price is planning to come back down here,
Okay. It's a huge imbalance.
it is a huge imbalance, but
But
price is not going to, and I'm not going to say it's not going to, but from my experience and just looking at the charts, it's going to tap into this imbalance, this here, push back up to get the buyers in, and then probably take you out.
yeah.
If you don't get out before it does that. So then
Okay.
of course you'll be looking for your 3 pushes to the top side. And then if it gives you peak formation, then you can look for the sell. Now, if it does not, then maybe price is going to continue to the top side to keep buying.
Okay. Okay. We wait to see what price is going to do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how I see that. So that's what I want. Oh, go to the 15-minute, because then you posted a 15-minute as well.
Yeah. Because I saw it coming down for 15 minutes. But that's
Yes. So based on here, and you got your peak formation here, right? You got your current swing here, right?
Mhm.
So once price breaks this low, then you have your first move, your first push.
Okay.
Okay. Once you get your first push, so you got one push, you got two push. So you're probably going to get your third push, and I'm just guesstimating that it may come give you a double top here somewhere, right?
Yeah.
And
Right.
then that will be your first push. So then price may come up here, give you some motion, and then give you your second push, right? However far that goes. And then second push is probably push up to the 78. Remember, we feel like the second move always gives a deeper pullback. So
Mhm.
that'll probably come up to your 78 and then give you your third push,
Okay.
wherever that may go. And however that may look. Like I'm just drawing
Right.
an example, but um based on what we talked about, it's probably going to push down to the 78, which I think was down here a little further,
Yeah.
and then give you your push to the top side.
Okay. The WP formation to the top side.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm getting it. I'm gonna get
Yes,
it.
yeah, yes, ma'am. I know you are.
I'm gonna get
I
it. I
know
mean,
you
when
are.
I saw those pips last week on that, on it was like effortless. It was like effortless.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, wow, I do see, I see the vision.
You see it. You see, I'm
Yep,
telling you, once you get it,
I see the vision.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm
Okay.
trying to tell you. And you know what I was thinking about? I was like, nobody. And although I'm mad he kicked me out, I'm mad. Bro, G, I know where G laughing. Although he kicked me out the group,
Right,
I'm still grateful that I joined it,
right,
that I got it. I saved some of the videos, and now I got Rogia to help me really remember what it is we were being taught
right.
in that group.
Because I feel like this is the easiest, once I get it, it's the easiest for me. All I have to do is wait for the third push
Mm-hmm.
and just take it up to that next peak formation if it gets to that. I don't even have to be greedy at this point.
Yeah.
I don't even have to take it all the way up. I'll take it, maybe I'll, cut it off at a couple of pips. But I saw it last week just as clear. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I saw it. So yeah,
I'm glad you're seeing it. I'm glad you're seeing it.
I saw it. So yeah, thank you, Kim.
You're what first, you're welcome. And then you gotta also thank Rogia for,
Thank you, Jen.
I look, all I could teach was the three pushes. I just
I reached out to her too, Kim. I bugged Rogia too.
no. I know. But no, I'm just glad that she's coming out of her shyness. Rogia.
Yes, 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 yes,
Rogia. Mhm.
yeah.
Coming out of her shyness. But yes, once you see it, and then at that point also, like knowing where what cycle you're in,
Mhm.
okay, let me not do the counter trend trade yet. Let the pullback,
Yeah,
like that a reversal is not ready yet.
right.
And then when the reversal is ready,
Mhm.
once you
Because if you
identify the pushes. Mm-hmm.
Yes, and that could be my A1 setup. Although I realize there is a pullback, and I have to toggle back and forth. So wait for the peak formation and wait because it's a sure thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Now, if the peak, like I said, sometimes the peak formation can come up and break the high and then come back in, right? So now
Yeah.
this is your low. So then this would be your first move, but, or sometimes the peak formation could come lower than this high and then break.
Yeah.
But you know, once you get the peak formation, you can either, especially if you're getting the double tops and you're in your third cycle, or you're not even just your third cycle, your second cycle. This is because I think this was the second cycle, right?
Yeah.
So you know it's just going to sell back down to here, which it
Mhm.
did, right? It
Mhm.
sold back down to your 15-minute order block. And now you're looking at that cycle, 1, 2, that might be 3. Hold on. Let me, oh no. Okay. So you got now your 1, 2. So you can be looking for your third to then that's and let me rephrase this because price is bullish.
Mhm.
You either because and price may not give you a third one, right?
Okay.
Because this was the pullback. This was the pullback.
Okay.
So now that it's pulled back, you're either waiting for price to break this high
Mhm.
and then pull back for, like we said, the next move up.
Continue. Okay.
Yeah, for the continuation.
I see that.
Mm-hmm.
I see that. Okay.
Because these moves, there could be 3 moves in here. Because this could be the third move here, right here. That could be the 3 right there.
Okay.
But if you trade pretty much trade the trend, then you don't have to worry about those
But
pullbacks.
yeah, pullbacks. Yeah. I've been watching videos too, but yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wait a minute, is this bullish or is this? Wait a minute, I just forgot that quick.
Let me go back to the 4 hour.
Yeah, go to the
It's
4
it's
hour.
uptrend. It's an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Well, it's consolidating. There's a
Oh,
couple
no,
of
no, 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 no. Okay, right, right, right. So you're waiting for these pushes up to here. You're waiting for the pushes up here. So yes, that what we were talking about, you get a pullback. So you're waiting for the pullback to get the push to up
get
to
the
the
push
top
up.
side. Yep. And
Okay.
then you know you're at this higher time frame swing. So you know you don't want it to break past here, right?
Right.
So you don't want it to break past. This is your high. So you're expecting something like this. It might even break through there, but you're expecting this next move to the downside for cycle, your 4-hour cycle 3.
Okay.
Mhm. And that 4-hour cycle 3 is probably going to go to your 78. But because this, remember, this was the second cycle, you expect a deeper pullback. So it's probably going to come up here and then sell back to the downside.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Kim.
You're welcome. You are welcome. All right. Yes, give Rogia some okay, I just saw it. You asked where was I recording? I am now. The um Yes, hooray for Regia.
Thank you, Regia.
You're welcome. Thank you, Kim.
You're welcome. I'm trying to see if oh no, that was it. That was all I had for today. All right, any questions? Any other questions I should ask? If not, that is all I have for today.
All right, thanks, Kim. See y'all in the chat.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kim. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.